It's a cute camera.
Huh?
It's a cute camera.
I know, right?
Let me just lie tonight. You know you wanna turn up. I can make you feel right all night. Tell me if you feel what I'm feeling. Don't be scared.
What's up YouTube? It's your girl Kiara and today I'm back with another video, period. So today I'll be going on the beach with my friend. Come say hi.
Hey YouTube. Hey Kiki Squad.
Period. So we're gonna do jet skiing today. So that's the swimsuit whatsoever. See my pretty friend right here.
I'm nervous, y'all.
So that's why we pass.
Yeah, this way.
Okay, so we're going, hopefully we could get to jet ski, but right now we're going in a restaurant. Dining, please seat yourself. Okay.
Yeah. So
The beach dry.
What thing?
Oh my gosh. The beach is empty today. Oh my gosh. Let me unzoom this. The beach is dry today. Wow. I think they're done with the jet skis, you know.
You lying?
I'm serious.
Oh.
See they're bringing them off the shore?
But it's only 3.
Let's go ask. Operation 11 to 5. Okay, that's the door. But where are the people? They're in here? Oh, hi! Let me take off my glasses. So we came to jet ski.
Made it out.
Nice.
Oh yeah.
It's not late, right? It's not late, right?
No.
Okay, good.
See?
So you're good. Yeah, this time of year it's like till 4:30. Just
Okay,
because
good.
it starts so early.
Oh, okay.
But yeah,
So
we
we're in the shop. Don't mind me, I'm just vlogging.
just vlogging.
Yeah. Where's the mirror that was there? It's on this side now?
Yeah, we'll move it a little bit. Hey.
Hey. This is my personal. I mean, I can sit here on check home.
Hi y'all.
Huh? No, but you wasn't saying we have to come back up for the life jacket? Or is down here?
Down there where we meet them. So guys, we just killing time. We're waiting to go on our jet ski. Right now we're about to go get somewhere to sit down. You got these chairs is rent and I am telling. I said these chairs are rent.
But
So-
do they hold our stuff for us or we have to? Okay.
We can leave it with them. It don't have shade anywhere. Literally no shade anywhere. Where are we going? I don't know. This sun is hot though.
What's gonna even have no shade?
So you want to go back over there?
Yeah, I'm gonna sit on.
Okay. We're going back to the bar restaurant. You want to go take a drink or something? Y'all seen the beach? Beach is so beautiful. I can't believe today is Saturday and here is
I mean, because
empty.
it was raining this morning. That's what I was saying. I wonder if we won't even
Oh,
be
by
able
your
to-
area was raining too?
Yeah. That's what it was island wide, so I thought it was
Mm.
like what I
Well, I went gym this morning, but it wasn't raining.
No? By me it was raining, like I got a lot of rain.
It wasn't raining.
So
So guys, we have our life jacket on. My friend, she's camera shy, so this is like the jet ski we're gonna go on. Well, that's not exactly it, but yeah, I'm excited. You excited?
Very
Good.
nervous, mostly though.
Yo, cup though, yeah. My 30-inch bust down. Okay. Everyone, I'm about to get them my video. Okay, guys. So we actually, oh my gosh, this dog is. We actually done jet ski. We didn't get to record anything because we was going fast. Wap wap, right? It was going real fast. So right now we're just chilling. Hi. We're just chilling, y'all. Thank you.
Not a bad idea.
Y'all wanna say hi to the let me show y'all some famous people I met. No. Famous people I met. Say your TikTok.
I am D Woods.
I look ugly. I don't want to get on there.
You telling her thing and yeah you.
Keep you on that tonight. Exactly. I'm gonna be like, yeah.
I bring it tonight.
I'm gonna be like, yeah, I'm
Yeah, yeah. Oh my gosh, y'all, we're about to go get some drinks now. I'm about to get like a fat pig like today. After I'm about to after I eat tonight, I'm about to eat here and then eat tonight again. When we go shops.
I want to go. I mean, that's true. I want to tell you the top until you right.
Yeah, true. Oh. Somebody gonna come with us?
Yeah, they're coming with us.
Oh my gosh, y'all. What are you having? Yo, my edge is gone, everything. Oh yeah, I have to wash my hair. Wash and blow dry my hair. Yeah. We're back.
You guys want to do any drinks?
Yeah.
Can I get food?
A pina colada with alcohol.
Yeah, pina colada.
Fix up yourself because we're taking pictures tonight. I send you in advance. Bitch, you're not gonna leave me go by myself.
Don't forget your phone. They don't have the tropical sunshine. They have the creamsicle one, or they have the passion fruit margarita. That one is like orange.
Huh? No, forgetting. Hi y'all. So I actually got some food. Let me show y'all what I got. And that's what my friend got. Her stuff look good. She put all the goodies on it already. And my shit dry. I ain't put nothing yet. And I actually got a pina colada, but I forgot it was blended. Look at my hair. Hold on. I forgot it was blended. I don't like pina coladas blended, so I asked her for a spoon to eat it like a frico. But we're about to eat. I'm about to get fat just by eating that. This is good. What's that? Pork?
Yeah, the pork. Jerk pork.
Yeah, it look good. They have no meal? Yeah. How it tastes?
Their jerk is really good.
So yeah, the girls I showed in the video, we're going out to check them tonight because they're living. They're from, what they said, they're from Mississippi. Yeah. And they're cool. They sound fun and lit. Follow them on TikTok. Let's see how it is. I eat fast food for you guys. Yeah?
You guys need something? Let me know.
Okay, thank you so much. That's calamari. I love calamari. I've had better. But I don't want wings, so I get wings tonight.
Did you only went for a couple hours?
I only went for 2 hours.
Yeah.
So they say they have to go.
Yeah.
I'm still late. I picked you up. You have pinned me a location though, so. Yeah, I've had better calamari. But it's good to try things quickly so you know not to take it.
It's not terrible, but
Oh, that's barbecue? Oh no, that's... Okay, y'all, so I'll see y'all tonight when we're dressing and so getting ready to go out. Love y'all, Kiki Squad. Bye, Kiki Squad. Period. Hi, y'all. So tell me why I'm like, let me see what type of clips I have for this Sunday beach vlog. And I realizing like it's not enough. It's literally nothing. Like it ain't gonna do anything for me. It's all over the place. So I really apologize for doing that. Like that wasn't my intention. I really wanted to vlog that day. Like it was fun, the idea, and that's why I brought my camera. But things didn't work out how I wanted it to work out. And I'm sorry. So I just posting that because it's just to post something, but like I really sorry that it wasn't like a real vlog and whatever. And yeah, but anyways guys, stay tuned. We have a lot of stuff coming, hopefully. I know I'm like all over the place right now, but yeah, that's life. So I'm sorry once again, but still guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, tell me some video ideas you would like to see. I feel like y'all not like, let's go guys, communicate with me, because I'm trying to do this for y'all. I'm trying to entertain y'all. I'm trying to give me some stuff, you know, for us to get the ball rolling. So yeah. And also I've been realizing how shitty my audio is, so I actually went and ordered a mic. So we should have better content, definitely, and y'all could hear me better and all that, because my audio is really shit. So I should have always ordered a mic with this camera, but I didn't. So yeah, I ordered a mic, and hopefully things start flowing better. I'm showing y'all how serious I'm taking this shit. I got a camera, now I got a mic. Listen, all I need to get is my subscribers, my supporters, my OG Kiki squad. Listen, I love y'all. To all the 81 people who have been subscribed to my channel so far, I love each and every one of y'all, and thank you for everything. Okay, it may not seem like a lot, but trust me, it is a lot to me, especially coming from nothing. So I'm very grateful for you. That was nonsense. Well, yeah, I'm very grateful for every one of y'all. Okay, I just said let me just let y'all know, because I was trying to edit what footage I had left. But anyways, I love you guys. Kiki Squad. Peace out.